Appliance Repair, Johns Creek, Georgia. From Around the House Appliance Repair. Call 770-444-9336 today. We service and repair all major brands of appliances: Sub-Zero, Frigidaire, Maytag, Amana, GE, Hotpoint, Kitchenaid, Whirlpool, Admiral, Kenmore, Roper, Jenn Aire, LG, Estate, Electrolux, and more. Are you experiencing any problems with your refrigerator, washer or dryer, oven, stove, or cooktop? Maybe your garbage disposal or even your upright freezer? Well, there's good news. We can fix those problems quickly and correctly. All you have to do is pick up the phone and call 770-444-9336. Around the House Appliance Repair. Providing the best appliance repair in Johns Creek for over 20 years. Call now for preferred appointment status or use the online form on our website at www.aroundthehouseappliance.net.